half full, golden glow, sunlight dancing on the patio, street hum drifting soft and low, like a film I already know. Waiter passing, linen white, clinking silver in the light. Every face just passing by, like a question, like a why. And I'm not in a hurry tonight. Let the world blur at the side. I'm just sipping wine in the warm air, watching strangers going nowhere, laughing, living unaware. I'm just here for the feeling, for a moment I can borrow from today, not from tomorrow. Little piece I couldn't swallow, now it's finally healing. Couple arguing, soft but sharp, someone strumming a guitar. Taxi rolling, window down, something was spilling through the town. I was chasing something fast, now I'm letting moments pass. Every second stretching wide, like the tide I used to fight. Now I don't need to hold it tight. Let it come, let it slide. I'm just sipping wine in the warm air, watching strangers going nowhere, laughing, living unaware. I'm just here for the feeling, for a moment I can borrow from today, not from tomorrow. Little piece I couldn't swallow, now it's finally healing. Maybe I was looking too hard for a spark, for a sign, but it's here in the quiet, yeah, in this glass of red wine. So I'll sit a little longer, let the evening get stronger, watch the whole world drift on by. One slow sip at